Hi friends, welcome back to our channel VU View Tube. So in today's vlog, we are going to Bhadra Tiger Reserve, which is in Chikmagalur, to spot some wild animals, especially tiger. So come, let's see which are the animals we were able to spot. Now we are on the way to the forest from our Chikmagalur stay. Also comment below if you want a review on our resort stay, which was beautiful and also had a great view. We had to leave really early in the morning because they had told us to reach by 6:30, so we had to be there by 6. The mesmerizing Bhadra river passes through the sanctuary. Hence the name Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. The forest department organizes bus as well as jeep safari. We took jeep safari inside the forest. It was priced 400 per person for the jeep safari, with driver cum guide who had really a great experience in his job, whose contribution is also more in this safari with great tracking skills, like used to track where the animals would have gone and take us in those routes. This big teak tree is known as Jagara, which is also main attraction of the sanctuary, which is thought to be around 300 years old. The opening time for the safari is during morning from 6:30 to 8:30 and evening 3:30 to 6:30. The forest officer will tell you before taking the safari ride that finding tiger or any wild animals is rare and is purely based on your luck. We went on a four-wheel drive vehicle. This sanctuary is home for more than 40 tigers, then leopard, elephant, gaur, common Indian sillet, spotted deer, wild dog, jackal, jungle cat, many more. The ride inside forest was just perfect. Just imagine when birds are making this musical sound with curved roads filled with tall and big trees. Yes, this forest vibes and the scenery is beyond imagination, guys. During this pandemic time also, it was well maintained by sanitizing and wearing masks throughout our safari. The forest officer had told us they had not found leopard or tiger in almost 2 months, so we went with no expectations of finding so that we won't get disappointed. But it turned out to be an adventure in our life because it had just been a few minutes we entered the forest, and guess what? There was a leopard waiting to welcome us. Yes, it was really hard to believe that we just spotted leopard as we entered the forest. So as soon as we spotted the leopard, our guide slowed down his jeep and asked us to maintain silence. Just 10 minutes before, some other visitors went and they could not spot leopard. So we were really happy, and yes, we were so close to leopard also. It stayed in the same place for few minutes. So here are some clips. Watch it and enjoy, guys. Yes, in this video you can see our face was flushed with excitement, and yes, my hands trembled. That's because we went in open window jeep and I was sitting in the side where leopard was also sitting. So I really freaked out. This stunning look the leopard gave us just before it was about to leave, it was really scary and like unforgettable moment. In this clip we are trying to capture the leopard behind us in the background. Yes, it just passed there. Did you see? Overall, it is a must visit place, and if luck favors you, who knows, you'll be the one to spot the tiger also. Hope you all enjoyed this video and gave you some information regarding Bhadra Tiger Reserve. If so, please do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you.